Fresh flowers and plants have been linked with clean, green, healthy and happy environment. And you know, Albert Einstein has so beautifully said, look deep into nature and then you will understand life better. And it's really true. When you look deep into nature and when you especially get connected with plants, you see life in each moment, and especially you see new growth. And when you see some new sapling coming out even from the creeks, you understand what is struggle and you understand the life in moment to moment. And this brings joy and this brings sheer happiness of life, of living in moment to moment. In this prevailing COVID crisis, I would request you all to please get connected with nature, indulge in creativity and develop the hobby of indoor gardening. So with indoor gardening, rejuvenate your senses and enhance the sense of emotional comfort in yourself. Indoor plants serve as natural air purifier. They improve indoor air quality by combating indoor air pollutants like volatile organic compounds and even benzene, formalin and ammonia. Indoor plants purify and revitalize air by increasing higher oxygen level. Interaction with plants, both active and passive, not only improve indoor air environment, but even changes human attitude and behavior and even physiological response, especially with regard to patience and care. And that way a person tends to be more happier and healthier. When it comes to indoor gardening, selection of plants and their growing media are the two basic important criteria that are to be considered. So join everyone with me for a small journey of my own indoor garden. Come with me. This plant you see here is fern. Only care you need to take is you have to keep on spraying water. It's humid loving plant, so you have to water it very frequently and it thrives very well. And it requires very low light intensity. You can even place it in your bathroom. Now here you see this Dracaena. Dracaena is also a wonderful plant for indoor conditions. And now this you see here, it is philodendron, golden philodendron. This also survives very well at low light intensities. And watering is normal. It doesn't require very high level of watering or doesn't go for very dry spell too. And you see here it is money plant, normal money plant. You can either trail it in your hanging basket or just keep it in a pot. This is orchid, Dendrobium orchid. It's a wonderful flowering plant for indoor condition, for it can thrive very well in indoor conditions. See, it's flowering so well even inside this balcony. And for media, it requires to be grown only in just coconut husk. This is another fern, golden fern, and I've grown this in coco pit. So light in weight, pot is so light in weight and it holds water very well. And since this plant requires good watering, so coco pit is very good for this plant. And this is peperomia. It's beautiful plant for indoor condition. Syngonium. This is an arrangement I have made using Aralia. Aralia is also a wonderful plant for indoor condition. You can grow them. Here you see this another money plant in hanging basket. This is Brassia. So beautiful it looks as it grows. This is again a philodendron. Here, can you see this? Yes. This is also snake plant, Sansevieria. And here you see this sedum. So beautiful it looks by hanging in hanging basket. This is Kalanchoe. Yeah, it's almost flowering is just getting over by now, but in winter it flowers very well. I have a good group of succulents also. Let's have a look at succulents I've grown. This is Haworthia. Another Haworthia. Haworthia attenuta, Haworthia cymbiformis. This is Haworthia cymbiformis. And this is Kokedema. Kokedema made of money plant just by using coco peat and some vermicompost. Some small disc garden also I have made, as you see here, with some sedum, some sansevieria. Pot also is very important when we go for indoor garden. So I've used some ceramics and I've used some even small toys also, you can see. They look so elegant. And some more succulents as you see here. This is Echeveria. Yeah, both of them are Echeverias. And you can nicely decorate with small toys. Yeah, this also is a group of Haworthia. Succulents are also very important for indoor garden because they are camp plant, and that is why they absorb even during the night time carbon dioxide. So they thrive very well in indoor conditions and keeps our environment clean, green. This is Cryptanthus. Cryptanthus is also a beautiful indoor plant. Has a good color. Then this one, jade plant. Jade plant. It's also nice indoor plant. Pots and placement is also very important. You can see here I've used some small stand. For small pots I've used small stand. They look so elegant. When you place plants on these stands, they look so elegant. Here also I've used a stand. You can place some statues also, as you see here. Some smiling monk. If you have good light condition near your window, then even you can place a flowering plant like this. I have placed adenium. Adenium is beautiful plant since it has a nice beautiful cortex and it gives a look like a bonsai, and it has the benefit of even flowering. For ferns, it is coco peat based media, 4 parts coco peat and 1 part vermicompost. For other indoor plants like Aglaonema and ZZ plant, I've used a mixture of soil, leaf mold and vermicompost, equal parts. For succulents, I have used sand as growing media, only sand. For sansevieria, I have used a mixture of sand and soil. For indoor garden, even light is also very important. Most of the plants which we select for indoor gardening are those plants which grow well even at low light intensity. However, there should be good daylight, not scorching sun, but daylight at least for 6 hours. And you can also use white light. LEDs are very good for indoor plants, and that is what I have been using for my indoor plants. I hope you all enjoyed this small garden of mine, and if you have any queries regarding indoor gardening, then please do connect with me. A very well-known Roman lawyer and philosopher, Marcus Tullius Cicero, has so very well said If you have a garden and a library, you have everything you need. So surround yourself with plants and books, indulge in creativity, enrich yourself and feel the growth from within. Goodbye everyone, have a nice day.